So today we are going to see eggless cake. First I'm going to add sugar, milk. Dissolve the sugar completely. Once the sugar is completely dissolved, add water, condensed milk, melted butter. Now I'm going to add apple cider vinegar. Once it is completely evenly combined, we are going to add the dry ingredient. I'm going to add maida, baking powder, baking soda, corn flour, custard powder. Sieve all the dry ingredients inside. So finally I'm going to add my Tutti Frutti. So now I'm going to add Tutti Frutti on top. So this is going to go for baking at 180 degree for 25 minutes. Eggless Tutti Frutti cake. It's completely cold.